Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing these carbon fiber F30 mirror caps. Let's go. So the first thing you want to do is lower your windows all the way. And you're going to need this trim tool right here, which you can get this whole pack that I got from, let's just drop them.
Redo?
You can get, I don't know what I'm saying now. So you can get the entire pack on Amazon. You can look at the description of my YouTube video and you can buy the whole pack there. So if you're scared like me and you don't want to tamper with the glass, a good way to start is from the back end, and with your trim tool, you can just start plopping it up. And I already did it on this side, so I'm just gonna work my way out. You see, I'm still scared, bro. So we managed to plop it all out, and what I did is, it's gonna feel like you're breaking it, but you're really not. There's 3 prongs right here, 1, 2, 3, and what you want to do is start off from this side, plop it up, and then work your way towards the top end, because you have 2 up here. And you just plop it up that as well, and then you have the last one, and there you go. So now we're gonna try to fit our carbon one, and these have the 3 prongs as well. I'm gonna try. And it should just fit. They fit. Woo! All right, we're installing the last one. There you go. Let's make sure it's all fitted. There you go. A couple of love taps doesn't hurt. There you have it. Oh man.
I'm gonna go there.
Love it. It looks dope, bro. All right, well, there you have it. This is how you install F30 carbon mirror caps on your car. If you have any questions, send me a comment, make sure you subscribe, and I'll catch you next week.